Last video, I just pretty much finished up the tail and the integrated tail light. Again, this is a track and street bike, but mainly track. I left the tail, I had to bring it indoors because it started to rain, but I left the tail exposed. I'm not finishing the top of the tail because I'm gonna have to put a power commander in, and once I put that in, or to put that in, I'm gonna need access to this whole area. So until I get the exhaust in, I won't do the power commander. Instead, I'm gonna focus on the front for this video. And I've got just a couple things. I'm gonna replace this windscreen. It is a double bubble, I'm not sure what brand. It's tinted. I'm not a fan of tinted screens, especially on the track. So I've got another double bubble here. Gonna put that in. It's gonna be the same size, just clear. New bar ends for reduced vibration, or bar grips for reduced vibration, bar end sliders, some headlights, and the pilot light. So this is the pilot light. It's super yellow from 07. The headlights are as well. And so again, even though it's mostly a track bike, still want a more premium look. So I've got H7 headlights that are supposed to be, a little more of that HID look. New bar sliders, or new frame sliders. Here's the old frame sliders, at least one of them on this side. You can see from when the previous owner had the low side, what that looks like. So we're just gonna be replacing that, as well as removing the mirrors and putting on a GoPro mount kit. So one side is going to be just a block off for the mirror, and the other side is going to be for the GoPro. So that should give me some good footage on track. All right, now that we got the windshield off and the windscreen and the mirrors, we're going to just work on the lights. Since we already have it opened up, I'm gonna replace this incandescent bulb right here with an LED, and then replace these bulbs. So let's take a look at how it looks right now. When you turn it on, you can see how yellow it is. And let me see if I can't turn it on without starting the bike, but you can see how yellow it is, so we're just gonna replace that. This piece came off, a little foam here, started to rip a little bit, so I just Gorilla Glued it, and while this dries, I'm actually gonna take off the side markers down there. Check out how the lights look. There we go, that's a lot brighter. And so are these. Let's see. Much nicer. It's a brand new Puig screen, so it's clear up top, double bubble, and then it's black at the bottom. So that's gonna hide some of what's underneath this, which I like, versus just a straight clear. But other than that, you've got a nice clear double bubble that's gonna allow you to see through, and Puig obviously is gonna be that high quality. Here's a closer look at the finished GoPro mount. as you can see, replaced the handles, the grips with Pro Grip. They're supposed to help with vibration as well as feedback from the bike. Got the longer bar end sliders installed. This is gonna help in the case of a low slide, just to protect more of the bike as well as the clutch, which these are gonna get replaced anyway with some adjustable levers. We got the longer frame sliders installed. Those ones, even though they're worn down, at least on the left side, on the right side, they were much shorter, as you guys saw in the video. So still lots to do. In the next video, we're going to look at trying to get the power commander in, as well as the Öhlins steering damper. I have to see what else is on my checklist. Oh, we're gonna have the rear spool sliders. We'll get those, and I'm still waiting on the M4 exhaust. That's really going to be a game changer for the bike, both in looks as well as performance with the power commander. So that is it. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.